Ja, guten Tag. Welcome at another video. We are here at a fast charging station in Kamen, Deutschland. And today we're going to be testing how good this Bockwurst tastes, but most important, if this Lidl climate refresher can remove the nasty smells from my ventilation and in my car. Hope you enjoy the video. If you're new, please subscribe. Let's go. There's so many fast charging stations here. It is really super toll. My car is drinking the Opa Ampere. Trink mein Schatz, trink mein Schatz. Du hast es ja verdient. Sehr geil. Let's see what this little air refreshener looks like. It's in a small bottle. You put it in the middle of your car. Turn the ventilation on recirculation and let it sit for 10 minutes. And then it should disinfect the airco canals. If you do this once or twice per year, better even remove the filter and change it afterwards. Your car will smell great and you'll eliminate nasty smells. This product from Lidl was only €3. Let's test it out and see if it works. So we're in the car. I have my Schlager music, my Bockwurst, and I have here the Lidl air refresher. Yeah, what better atmosphere than also being in Germany to go to see if this works. So I put it in the middle of the car, I turn it on, and then I put on Umluft, and then let's see what happens. Here we go, Lidl air refresher. Let's see how this works and if it cleans good. Verdammt alter Schwede. Oh mein Bockwurst. Oh nein. Oh mein Bockwurst. Kleine monster. I managed to rescue my Bockwurst. It smells a bit like citrus now. But here in the car you can see what's happening. The air refreshener is spreading, and because of the recirculation it should go through the canals and clean everything. Let's see if Lidl can deliver, because my car wasn't smelling too fresh before I arrived with the Bockwurst. Also, as if I was just eating my Bockwurst and getting sprayed on by the Lidl Airco sprayer, I said alte Schwede. It just came out of intuition. Why do the Germans call it alte Schwede? I mean, why not geile Holländerin or sexy Bulgarin? I mean, why an old Swedish guy? If you're German and you know the answer, please write me in the comments. I'll be very curious to know. Nom 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 nom. Sehr geil und sehr lecker. Das gibt's nur in Deutschland. How do you like to eat your Bockwurst when I'm in Germany? I always like to put a lot of mustard on it. So much it's even on the car. So maybe I'll wash it also here. Because over there I see there's a lot of car washes. And we can wash by hand because we have a brush cover with us. After about 10 minutes the bottle stops spraying and you can return to the car and open it. Let's see what it smells like. Actually, the smell is not so intense as I thought it would be. Actually in the beginning it smelled really like a lime, quite a pleasant smell. I guess this is not a substitute for professional airco cleaning, but actually this is meant to avoid professional airco cleanings, because once or probably twice per year regular cleaning of these airco and verdammt, wat doe jij daar? Wat machst du daar? Get the wasp here. Go away. Verdammt. German wasps are incredibly annoying, and they're also protected, so I can't do anything with him here. Geh weg, du. Verdammt. Yeah, so for €3, I think absolutely worth your money. The car smells fresh. What I liked is that it's very easy to use, very cheap. I like the smell. What I didn't like so much is that it immediately started spraying. And yeah, it would be nice if it had maybe a couple of seconds of delay. But probably that's not possible due to the mechanism. What do you think? Have you used Lidl W5 air climate refresher for your car? And is this a good way to prevent smells, neutralize them, and prevent expensive airco treatments? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen!